Hi, I'm Kevin Ray from Peterbrook Chocolatier here in Winter Park, Florida. Today we're going to make a fantastic caramel dark chocolate truffle that you can make at home. Okay, for this recipe we're going to need a cup of caramel, half a cup of heavy whipping cream. We're going to need tempered dark chocolate. And then for tools, we need a scraper, a pastry bag, a spatula, and our bonbon mold. First we're going to fill our bonbon mold. This is a little messy, but it's kind of fun too. We're going to take our tempered chocolate and fill all the cavities on our mold. And now we want to create a shell, so we're going to bang the chocolate out of the mold to create the shell we're looking for. Okay, you can see now we've created the shells for our bonbons. So we're going to set this on a tray and put it in the fridge to set. All right, while the bonbon shells are chilling and setting up, we're going to go ahead and make the filling. We've got our cup of caramel, and to this we're going to add half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Now we're going to go ahead and put this in the microwave, stirring frequently and bring it to a boil. All right, now that we've got our caramel and our heavy cream mixed and heated together, we're going to add a half a cup of dark chocolate. We're going to go ahead and fill our pastry bag. And then we're going to take it up, roll the top over tightly, and then we're going to finish it off with a bulldog clip. Now, we're going to just set this in the fridge to chill for quite a while because you know the mixture is very warm at the moment. So we need about 30 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, now we've got our chilled bonbon shells and our chilled filling, and we're going to go ahead and put the two together. We're going to trim the end off our pastry bag and work our filling up. Then we're just going to fill each bonbon, making sure we leave enough room at the top to add the final layer of chocolate. Now that we've filled our chilled cavities, we're going to go ahead and scrape across one more time on the top so we can get the chocolate in between. And we're going to set this aside to chill once again to make sure it's nice and firm so when we put the chocolate on it doesn't overflow the filling. Okay, now that our bonbons are chilled, we're going to go ahead and add the bottom layer of chocolate. So once again, we're going to sheet chocolate over our mold. There we go. We can return these to the fridge, and just a little while, we'll be ready to demold and enjoy. Okay, we've gotten our finished truffles out of the fridge. Now we're going to demold. You're going to turn your tray over and get it on the side and give it a real swift tap. And you can see your truffles will start to come right out. Now we've got your truffles, and they're ready to eat.